Thanks for watching this. Let me try and reveal something here. Let's go back a few hundred years. I don't know how far back, maybe 500, 700 years, I don't know. Somewhere back there, picture yourself in a courtroom. You're watching the court operate. There's a judge, there's some lawyers, there's a bar that they don't dare cross. There's some poor guy who's been charged with something, and they're arguing the case. And the lawyer turns to the judge and says, "He's innocent, Judge. I'm telling you, he's innocent. Here's all the evidence." And they lay out all the evidence. And here's what he said about it. And they lay out what he said about it. And the judge says, "Well, did you beat him?" And the court official says, "No, we haven't beat this prisoner." And then the judge says, "Well, how do you expect to get the truth? Go away and beat him until the truth comes out." And that was an actual procedure. People believed you beat the truth out of people. Of course, we know what really happens when you beat people enough. Eventually, they just tell you anything you want to hear, so the beatings will stop. This is Mr. Trump's approach. This is his approach to negotiating. It's not a mature, calm, adult approach. It's the approach of a bully. We all know this. I'm not telling you anything you don't know. The only thing you didn't know was that this was a court procedure at one time. Mr. Trump thinks he can only get a good deal if he's beating the other side down. And this behavior is obvious in his life all the way through his life. This is how he's operated. If you can't beat him down, then you trick him with lies, manipulation, anything you can do. None of it is straightforward. None of it is responsible. None of it is fair. It's all bullying, beating people up. Hey, he's beating people up in your own country. Why, he sent a mob to your government to beat up your government officials. Literally, he's beating up another country right now. It's unbelievable. Well, he's doing his best to beat up Canada, and I'll tell you right now, Canadians are finished with this. We're just fed up. We're fed up with this crazy, frickin' nonsense coming out of your country. It's unbelievable. You know, something's going to crack at some point here. That there's going to be some kind of a huge jump in attitude in this country, in Canada. It's happening in me right now. Well, I've been fairly tolerant of the situation because I've said to myself, hey, it's just one guy. It's just Mr. Trump. The rest of them aren't like this. But now I realize they can't control their own government in the United States. The government is starting wars. Stupid wars. The government's got its eyes on my country. There's just going to be a breaking point here between Canada and the United States, in which the population, people like me, are going to push our Canadian politicians to break it off with the United States, as stupid as that might be. That's what's happening here. Now, you might think my upset attitude shows that Donald Trump's beating is working. Well, it is to some degree. Of course it is. Of course it is. When you beat people, it hurts. There's no two ways about that. There's a long run coming. And in the long run, none of this will pay off. We're all going to go down together. It's just unbelievable.